Hello mga lods. Ay. Hello mga lods. It is gardening patola, long patola. This one, long patola. This leaves of malunggay. This leaf of malunggay. Then this one malunggay. This one malunggay. Rabanus. Ito sa rabanus. Rabanus. Radish. Yeah, rabanus is the name of the Philippines. And then patola also. Leaves of leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable, look. That's my garden. That's one. A leafy vegetable. That's a radish. Ooh, a big roots. Oh, after 15 days, after 40 days harvesting the radish, then I back to the soil of the roots. This one, big. This one big. The age is 1 week. Not harvesting because 1 week. And the other is a little. This one. This is my gardening. That's my gardening from school. This one. Ay, yummy. It's yummy. Spicy. Hot spicy. Yeah, hot spicy. This one. Hot spicy. That's my plan. Patola is my flowers. This one.